Hi there, this is Simpson. In this video, we are going to review this Uniball Shalaku. Yes, this is a lead pencil and it cost about rupees 50. In this pencil, we have to press near the grip to write. Welcome to look and feel this pencil. This lead pencil, Shalaku S 0.7. The design of the pencil is nice with all plastic body. The press button is near the grip. This pencil uses 0.7 tip and Uni engraved in the top. The clip is plastic. The eraser is in the top with a cap. Cap design is nice. The lead is protected by a nib which is metal, which grips well. The grip area is bit bulky. We can insert the lead in this way also. The pencil design is dual color with red. Now let's see how it writes. It writes well. It gives a feel while writing. The color is bit dull, not bright, but the pencil gives a feel when we write, and hard press also the tip is not broken. And regarding the impressions, it leaves no impression at the back of the paper. Nice pencil, Uniball Shalaku at this price point. Thanks for watching.